It's gonna go past 1 o'clock in the night, also the morning. So it's supposed to be Saturday, but now it's Sunday. So yeah, put my pajama on. I got it on. Now let's go to see the reaction. Hey. Oh. Finally coming. I can unlock this thing right now. Thank you for the girl starter. Okay, I'm gonna got one soda, large one, and one icy. I'm is in Walgreens right now. I'm gonna hunting for squishy Walgreens, but whenever I can. I never saw them, so who knows? Let's go. Oh, they don't have it. Oh well. They do have it. They do have it, guys. These are so cool. So stress weird. I want you to send me your location is. Focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. This bag is expensiver than this bag. This much money. $49. Come in and they lock the door. She's not my parent. She's my aunt. Boom boom chicka pop, right? Only boom. Boom chicka pop. But it's a popcorn and it tastes really good. You're so salty. Just kidding. Pen. Book. A brush. Another brush. A makeup remover. And this is technically have the same packaging of the one of Target, but this one is from Walmart and the packaging way different. If you but at least squishy. People call this is $1.99, but it's for $5.99. First I got this ice cream. A marshmallow. Yeah, they come with you. It's like a cloud. And this part is like super easy to get defected. A ball face squishy. Defected a lot.